Alright guys, we're pulling up to House Park for the night ride. It's the midnight ride, so this should be interesting. Looks like a way smaller pack, which is honestly perfect. Hello, mate.
Hello, mate. Hello, bro.
Yo, heads up. This dude is doing something. Alright, we got a small little pack tonight, but small pack's better. Infinitely better. Megaride's fun, but for this type of ride and mobbing, small pack is the wave. Downtown ATX, baby. Alright, so I think we're trying to find a trail here. I remember going on all these trails on my MX500 2 years ago here. Crazy. I think I got a clip right on this bridge too. This shit here is actually so cool. It's kind of like the Schuylkill Banks back in Philly. Oh, this is so beautiful here though on the water. You see the city and all. Watch the water. Get the fuck out of here. That's right. London's got to go get him now. Yeah. Well, I want to hear, I'm really sorry, Connor. That's what I want to hear. I was very rude. I'm sorry. Yeah. Well, these have been amazing rides, guys. It's a ton of fun always. Once you get a super big group, it starts to get a little sketchier. Overall, it's still always a good time. Your kickstand's down, dumbass.
No, the spring on this thing sucks.
There we go. Everyone's whipping. And I'm just on my Mini. Please don't hit me on my Mini. Oh my god, these mega rides are so fun, but I'll tell you what, these random smaller group rides always turn out to be the most fun. These are some of the best moments of your life. Just riding with the homies. People from all over the world, because we got London, so we can say the world, and someone fell.
No, that's how it rolls, bro. That's bike etiquette. When you wreck into somebody and you break their bike, you pay for their shit. Who's to say who wrecked into who there?
I'd say it's your fault, dude. You're chasing a wheelie, not in control, run right into Cowboy there. But hey guys, these are stunt rides, not places to learn how to wheelie. Keep it in control. Shit happens, just don't up to it.
Why do you even turn this thing off? This thing?
The flux capacitor. See you tomorrow. It just flies into the red light. Dude, downtown is empty. At least right here is. I know that there's no way downtown is empty. 1, 2, 3 wheelies. 4. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? Oh my god, bro! Yo, London just got in his car, bro! What the fuck was that? Dude, he saw the rev limiter. What up, what up? Go drink some beers for us.
We're not getting chased. They would never do that to old Willie Stocks.
Oh, terrorizing downtown. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it.
How do you turn this thing off?
Great.
How do you take the phone out? Whoa!
Try to find it.
You'll never find it. Someone's got firecrackers out here. Woo! Oh, I'm slipping on the seat. Ah! London's on the RTR. There he goes. The RTR work. I don't like it.